XRP Ripple investors, prepare right now. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction. This is DC Trading. Today we have crypto news to go over, and then we'll get into the technical analysis and price prediction for XRP. Let's start off with some breaking news in the crypto world. Yes, it looks like BlackRock is going to apply for a spot Ethereum ETF. This would obviously be very bullish for Ethereum and altcoins, right? It says, for context, BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust was registered in a similar manner 7 days before they filed the ETF applications with the SEC. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Is this bullish for Ethereum and altcoins? Now let's do some technical analysis and price prediction for XRP. What do we see here? Well, it looks like the XRP price has been correcting. It went as low as 61 cents. And as I said, do not be surprised if we see XRP correct all the way back down, possibly to 60 cents, to retest and confirm 60 cents is the new support. Well, guys, it looks like we saw the price come back down and then immediately went back up. It's currently around 65 cents, but remember, it is very early. MACD indicator on the weekly is still telling us to buy. As for the daily, it looks like we got to be a little worried. Just, keep an eye out for this right here. As you guys can see on the daily, we have been seeing a downtrend because, yes, even though we did get a lot of news from Ripple and XRP, we're just waiting for the SEC and Ripple to settle. And last but not least, we're also waiting for crypto regulation in America. Once that happens, obviously everyone's going to be announcing partnerships with Ripple and XRP. Just be patient, guys. This is not financial advice. Dollar cost average. Now, if we take a look over here, let's put this back at the weekly and let's look over here at the Fibonacci. As I said, we will see a lot of pushback around the 0.618 golden Fibonacci. Since we touched that, since we tested this resistance, we immediately got rejected, came back down, but we did liquidate those positions that were right here. People have entered some short positions again around the 74 cents. As you guys can see, we have bounced off the 0.382 Fibonacci to the upside, which is good news. So it looks like we're going to be stuck between 67 and 61 cents for quite a while, right? Or I would say between 61 and 74 cents, just to be safe. We're going to be stuck here consolidating unless we get some crazy news that sends Ethereum, Bitcoin, XRP to the moon. And you know what that is. A spot Bitcoin ETF or a spot Ethereum ETF as well. If we take a look at the main indicators for crypto, what do we see from the S&P 500? Yes, we're seeing a green candle. This is good news. And then for the DXY, it's recovering just a little bit. As I said, we do have strong resistance around 106 to 107, which is good news. We're waiting for that MACD indicator to tell us, to sell. Once we see that, then we're going to see a big correction from the DXY. But as of right now, this is just a correction, a retracement. With that being said, we do have breaking news. Earlier today, we saw Bitcoin pump all the way up to $38,000. And I said either we would see Bitcoin pump to 38,000 and then possibly correct back down, or we would see Bitcoin correct immediately to 32,000. But it looks like because of the news with Ethereum and all the news going around in general, it looks like Bitcoin decided to go to 38,000, but it wicked briefly. Also, as you guys know, yesterday we got the news that the SEC is open to talking with Grayscale about a possible Bitcoin ETF, a spot Bitcoin ETF. Now it looks like my prediction is correct, partially correct, because I did say BlackRock would be the first institution. It may be Grayscale now. With that being said, guys, my price prediction for XRP is going to be stuck between 74 and 60 cents. Do not be surprised if the XRP price drops back down again later on today or tomorrow or heading into the weekend. As you guys know, as usual, the weekends are very slow. As for last week, though, that was an anomaly, right? It rarely happens. Rarely. When I say rarely, I mean rarely happens. So I expect it to consolidate, retest 60. We may close near the 60s, right? But as long as we stay above 60 cents and 55 cents, we're in the clear, right? Right now, what we need to worry about is XRP closing above the weekly candle above 60 cents, because we did close 2 weekly candles already above 55. So we basically confirmed that that was support. Now the question is the 60 cent resistance that was once resistance the new support? It all depends this upcoming week. But with that said, make sure to comment the number 2 if you made it this far. Peace.